Hi everyone, how is everything with you? Welcome to another video here on the channel. My name is Annie, and today I'm here to present to you my newest creation, Lily the Little Giraffe. And we're going to start making her in this video, okay? The step-by-step where I'll show more details. Here she is from the back, how she looks. And this is video number 1 for her, okay? The first part. I divide the videos into several parts to make it easier for you to follow along too, guys. That's why the videos have many parts, so you don't have to keep going into the videos and searching for where you left off. So in one video I teach how to make the head, in another video the body, in another the ears and horns, for example, in another the muzzle and the tail, in another the arms and the legs, and so on. So you don't have to have a very long video and have to keep looking for the place where the part you stopped is, because I think it's easier this way for you to locate yourselves and know which part you stopped at. Comment down below if you like this type or if you would prefer a longer video with more parts in that same video. Then I'll read the comments and I'll start doing it the way you prefer. So comment there if you prefer long videos with more parts or smaller videos with specific parts like this to make it easier for you to find where you are. Comment there for me. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe here to the channel. Like this video to help me. And don't forget to comment on what you thought of our new creation, which is Lily the Little Giraffe. I'm going to measure her here so you can see the size we ended up with, which I know is a doubt a lot of people have. She ended up at 16 centimeters, 6.3 inches. She stays seated, but you can also sew the leg like this, see? So she stays standing, but here she stays seated. 16 centimeters then. And the yarns I used, guys? The materials. Let's start with the hook. It's the 2mm hook from Tulip. I used the 2mm hook then. I used the white sport weight cotton blend to do here, see? And the detail on the eye too to make the muzzle and the eye. The dark brown yarn also to make the brown parts. And the light yellow cotton yarn. You can see then that I mixed 2 yarns. I mixed the cotton blend and the 100% cotton yarn, and it looked beautiful, see the mix. You see that the cotton has more shine because it is 100% cotton. And this one has a fluffier characteristic without shine, see, because it is a blended yarn, okay? 9mm safety eyes I used. I used blush. I used the black embroidery floss to do the embroidery. I unravel it. I take only 2 strands. You can use an embroidery thread that you have. We are going to use fiber fill stuffing, a tapestry needle. We'll need pins. Things that we normally use. Let's start by making our giraffe's head, the part of her little head. And I'm going to do round 1, a magic ring. I secure my yarn and I'm going to make 6 single crochets in this magic ring, having a total of 6 stitches in the first round. Done, I made the 6 single crochets. Now I pull, I'm going to close the ring and let's do round 2. In round 2, we are going to do 6 increases and we will have a total of 12 stitches in this round. Done, guys. Now let's do in round 3, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we will have 18 stitches total. we are going to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Here guys, I am using the cross stitch, X shape, but you can use the V stitch if you prefer. Finished our round 3. Let's do round 4, which will be 2 single crochets and 1 increase. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we will have 24 stitches total. We are going to do 2 single crochets and 1 increase. Done, people. Look, round 4 finished. Now in round 5, we are going to do 3 single crochets and 1 increase. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 30 stitches total. Now guys, let's do round 6, which will be 4 single crochets and 1 increase. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 36 stitches total. Round 6 ready. Now let's do round 7, which will be 5 single crochets and 1 increase. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 42 stitches total. Let's now do round 8, which will be 6 single crochets and 1 increase. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we will have 48 stitches total. Done guys, we finished round 8. Now, we are going to do rounds of single crochet in each stitch. We are going to do from round 9 until round 19. Just single crochet in each stitch, and all these rounds will have 48 stitches total. So I'm going to do until my round 19, stitch over stitch, and I'll be back here for us to continue. Done guys, I finished my round 19 here, and now we are going to do round 20. In round 20, we are going to do 6 single crochets and 1 decrease. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we will have 42 stitches total. I've already done 6 stitches. I'm going to do my decrease, and I'm going to do this for this entire round, which is our round 20. Done, people. I've finished round 20 and I've already placed the safety eyes, and I'm going to show you where you are going to place them. We are going to place the 9mm safety eyes in the round, between round 12 and 13. So, count from here, see? From the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And they are going to have 6 stitches of distance here. I count the stitches like this, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in hole 7, 6 holes of distance. I placed it in this hole, counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in the other hole. And I leave the round transition in the back. Here, they are with the safety backs, and it will look like this. Always don't place them here where the round changes. Always place them on the opposite side of the part where the round changes. Let's now, guys, do round 21. And in this round, we are going to do 5 single crochets and 1 decrease. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 36 stitches total. Done, guys. Now in round 22, we are going to do 4 single crochets and 1 decrease. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 30 stitches total. And now, guys, in round 23, we are going to do 3 single crochets and 1 decrease. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 24 stitches total. Thus, we finish round 23, and we finish the part of the head. In the next video, we are going to learn how to do the neck and the body, and thus finish this part. And that was it then, guys, for today's video. I really hope you are enjoying it. Don't forget to subscribe here to the channel, like this video to help me.